What's your plan?
Tight.
Look ahead.
Yeah.
And be tight. Okay. If you're not looking ahead, I'm going to tell you to look ahead.
All right.
Okay?
Okay.
All right, my friend.
Yeah. You can tell me whatever you think you need to tell me.
Before you launch, give me a 1 out the window, as in your first run.
Okay.
Look ahead. What do you have the throttle setting on?
The medium one, which is pretty linear.
It seems like you're really stabby with the throttle.
If I go lower, it's gonna be delayed.
Okay.
So that's all my foot.
I would definitely recommend smoothing out your throttle inputs. I'm really herky-jerky.
Okay.
And it seems like you're not confident in the car at all. It seems like you're second-guessing all of your inputs.
Yeah, I mean, the rear is a lot more loose than it used to be.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So what?
So...
David Whitener,
can you not control it?
You can. I just wasn't used to it.
So that's what I'm saying is you know, don't be afraid to have confidence in the car and just, you know, whatever it does, just correct it, because I know you have the car control skills. So
yeah.
You're looking ahead, but like on a scale of 1 to 10, you're like a 5.
Okay.
So you're not looking quite far enough ahead. It seems like everything that comes up is almost like a surprise to you. You're like, oh shit, this is right here. And then you're trying to react to it.
Peter McMillan,
and then I think I felt you hit the brakes one time. So don't be afraid to use the brakes to tighten up the line or get the car to do what you want it to do. I feel like you're just kind of throwing it in there a lot of times and not getting the weight transfer set up. And that's what bit you on that last section, is you just really didn't brake hard enough.
Yep.
So let's focus on looking ahead and smooth throttle inputs. That's all I want you to do this time.
Cool.
You don't have harnesses, do you?
No.
Yeah, you need harnesses.
I need racing seats. I wanted to get them done for a while.
I would just get the clip-in Schroth harnesses for now.
It doesn't really work with this thing.
You can make it work, I promise.
Yeah.
Something under their car, you might call a grid and have them take a look. Copy, will do.
But yeah, I mean, I'm all over the place over here. I'm sure you are too.
Yep. Yeah, when we're on the track, one of the guys is like, why don't you just shift here? It's like, I can't shift there. I need to hold myself in the seat.
Yeah.
George Vasquez.
Yeah, so the Schroth clip-on harness, if you just get like a bungee cord to keep it from slipping down, that would be fine. Because again, I wouldn't necessarily track with that before autocross, since, you know, it's not a safety thing. It's just I want to be in my seat thing. You'll be fine. All right, give me a 2 out the window. All right, look ahead. Smooth throttle inputs.
And Stephanie Lee in with a 78088. Stephanie, you have a piece of plastic.
There you go. Look ahead. Good, good.
car.
Brakes, nice and tight. I mean, it's fast.
And the rear is really loose.
I'm a rag doll over here.
Second run for Paul with a 51.
You said it's too loose?
Yeah.
Order stopped.
Try dropping the air a couple pounds, see if that helps, but it doesn't really feel loose to me at all, honestly.
Oh, it's much looser than it used to be.
Okay.
Need to get this way on the softest setting.
Okay. Well, from my perspective, it doesn't seem loose at all,
Okay.
honestly.
David Widener, the 51-136. Continuing to find
So
passion out
definitely
there.
better, smoother throttle inputs, but now you got to go back to using the brakes. It bit you twice, so don't be afraid to use the brakes. They're there for a reason.
Get out of bed for
Do you know where you need to use the brakes? Do you know where on course you need to use the brakes?
The stuff I missed where I hit the cones.
Okay.
Catherine Dashiell.
So rather than trying to carry 110% of your momentum in and then blowing it, come in at 90% and you get a good strong exit, you know, especially if the car is loose, you know, just focus on a good strong exit and then the looseness won't be so bothersome, right? Shouldn't be as much of an issue. But did much better job looking ahead that time.
All right, Peter McMillan with a 62.222. Good for third place in novice, couple seconds out of second. And Catherine Dashiell on run number 2 with a 65. I'm sorry, Catherine in with a 65, 964. That is good for fifth place in novice. And George Vasquez, run number 3 with a 64.403, your quickest time, fourth place in novice.
Give me a 3 out the window, please.
DNF, car 7, DNF.
All right, we're gonna do all of what you just did, except this time we're gonna use the brakes. Cool. Probably had, I just realized, some full tires the first run. I felt like you had a lot more grip that time. Does the car feel a little bit more planted now? I mean, you're whipping it around. It doesn't feel loose to me.
It's a lot looser than it used to be.
Okay. But, I mean, much, much better. But all those places where you're just, with the tires, you're just scrubbing speed. You're losing speed. It's better even just to tap the brake like this, but bump, get the nose set, and then power through. Because the car's just, it's not able to grip there, so you've got to give up the speed. And you're sacrificing the line by just washing out right there. Now this stuff is not mountains of time. It might only be a couple tenths, but that adds up over 3 or 4 corners, right? So much better run though. So what I really want you to focus on is you're coming around this loop, you've got to line this whole section. You seem really tentative through this whole section. And it is really tight, but you've got to line it up early, okay? And try to think about how can I get through these pinch sections as easy as possible, right? Try to set the car up to say, okay, I want to make this as easy as possible. Not as fast as possible, as easy as possible. Because your line right now is not ideal through either of those pinch points, okay? Some of it's not looking ahead, some of it's also not trusting the car. So rather than trying to just be balls out through there, say, okay, what can I do to maximize my line through this section?
All right.
952, your quickest time, George. 5th place right now in novice, just 7:10.
Ready for the
Give me a 4, yep.
And one
Thank
more
you.
run to go for you. Looks like we do have a lot of cars on runs.
You're doing good, man.
3 and 4.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, seriously.
5. So grid should start
Making
getting
big
the
improvements.
next set of drivers ready to come on up. Get the car started, helmets on.
Go ahead. Look ahead. Much better. Hard brakes. Go, 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 go. Hard brakes. More next time. Hard brakes. Much better. Nice job, pal. All right.
Yeah, it's still that one in the middle.
I know.
I way overdrive that one. Go way over.
Yeah, you're trying to carry too much speed. You just got to give it up a little bit and
In with a 50.2.
just say, hey, I've got to be nice and tight here. And also, this finish section right here where you're coming up, you're pushing wide every single time.
Yeah.
So it's a big acceleration run. Just come in hot, slam on the brakes. You come in, you're kind of like coasting on the brakes, and then you like let up, and it's not enough, and you push wide every time. So just be nice and tight, and you basically want to get a straight run into that slalom before the finish. So I think you clean up those 2 areas and you're golden. So and also, so like this opening section where I'm like hard brakes and then go, go, go. When you brake, you get the nose set and turn, get right back in the gas immediately. You're done with your input. Now go, right? Don't wait. You got nothing to wait on. So when you're coming in like that and you're doing a hard brake and the car rotated, you have to immediately get back to the gas. It doesn't need to be full throttle unless the car can take it, but at least get back to 30 or 50 or something, you know. But you're just like coasting, like go, you know. The car's done what it needs to do. Now it's time to accelerate again.
And ready to roll.
But this section right here by the curbs, man, that was great. Did it feel better?
Yeah,
It was a lot better. You really linked up that whole area. It was a great job, man.
Oh, no help there.
Yeah, see, it lost the link to the camera.
Jacob on run number 4. I'm sorry, George was run number 5. I take that back. So George is done.
They completely took off the red from that car, huh?
What's that?
He used to have it wrapped bright green.
That's somebody else's car.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Good, we're good for 4 cars.
So
Yeah,
grid
grid.
music, yeah, there they go. They're coming on out now. Stephanie Lee on run number 4, the 66.929. Your quickest
give me
time,
5.
Stephanie. Still 6th place.
All right, we're just going to
in
fix those
novice.
2 sections, right?
Maybe.
Okay. No, we are. That's the plan. We're going to fix
Tim
those 2
Whitener
sections.
on run number 2 with a 51.329.
Look ahead. Don't worry about it. Look ahead. Hard brakes this time. Hard, 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 hard. Too much. Hard brakes, hard brakes, hard brakes, hard brakes. Tighter, tighter, tighter. Better. Good job, pal. Alright, I think
Yeah,
the tires are a little greasy on that run.
Didn't feel that bad.
Felt like a little bit of extra understeer there.
Yeah, it's
but
that corner worker running kind of like
yeah.
distracted me.
job, man.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Back to the grid, huh?
Back to the grid. Take a look at some video here. I'm just gonna skip to like the third video.